Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to another crash course video, where we dive deep into the world of cryptocurrencies. Today, we're going to explore a specific aspect of the crypto market that has been gaining significant attention recently: altcoins. So, buckle up and get ready to understand altcoins in just 10 minutes. Now, before we jump in, let's quickly recap what altcoins actually are. Altcoins, short for alternative coins, are cryptocurrencies that are an alternative to Bitcoin, which was the first ever cryptocurrency. While Bitcoin holds the lion's share of the market, altcoins have emerged to offer different features, technologies, and use cases. Some popular altcoins include Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and many more. The first thing you need to know is that altcoins can serve various purposes and have different functionalities. For instance, while Bitcoin is primarily seen as a digital store of value or a digital gold, altcoins are designed for specific use cases. Ethereum, for example, has a smart contract functionality that allows developers to build decentralized applications, DApps, on top of its blockchain. Another crucial aspect to understand about altcoins is their market capitalization. Market cap refers to the total value of a cryptocurrency, which is calculated by multiplying the circulating supply of coins by their current price. Bitcoin usually has the most substantial market cap, followed by other altcoins. However, keep in mind that market cap isn't the sole determining factor of a cryptocurrency's value or potential. Now, let's dive deeper into some popular altcoins and their unique features. First up, Ethereum. Ethereum is often seen as the second most important cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. It introduced the concept of smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with predefined conditions embedded directly into the blockchain. This enables developers to build decentralized applications and even launch their own cryptocurrencies through initial coin offerings, ICOs. Next, we have Ripple, which is a bit different from other altcoins. Ripple aims to facilitate fast and cheap international money transfers, particularly for banking institutions. It leverages its native digital asset, XRP, to enable faster transactions compared to traditional banking systems. Ripple's technology, known as the RippleNet, seeks to revolutionize the outdated cross-border payment infrastructure. Moving on, let's talk about Litecoin. Often referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, Litecoin was created by Charlie Lee, a former Google engineer. It was designed to be a faster and more lightweight version of Bitcoin. Litecoin uses a different hashing algorithm called Script, which allows for quicker transaction confirmations and a higher maximum cap of 84 million coins. Staying in the realm of altcoins, we can't forget about Cardano. Cardano is a blockchain platform that aims to provide a more secure and sustainable infrastructure for the development of decentralized applications. What makes Cardano stand out is its scientific approach, driven by a team of academic researchers and engineers. It focuses on peer-reviewed research to ensure robustness, scalability, and sustainability. Moving forward, let's not overlook Binance Coin, BNB. Binance Coin is the native cryptocurrency of the Binance Exchange, one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world. It offers various utilities within the Binance ecosystem, such as discounted trading fees, participation in token sales, and more. BNB has gained significant popularity due to its practical use cases and the thriving Binance ecosystem. Lastly, we have Chainlink, which plays a vital role in bridging the gap between blockchain technology and real-world applications. Chainlink provides secure and reliable connections, or oracles, that allow smart contracts to access data or interact with external systems. This opens up a world of possibilities for blockchain applications to interact with real-world events and data in a decentralized manner. That pretty much sums up our crash course on altcoins in the crypto market. Remember, the world of altcoins is vast and constantly evolving, so be sure to conduct thorough research before investing your hard-earned money. It's essential to understand the technology, the team behind each project, and the potential challenges they might face in the future. I hope this crash course has shed some light on altcoins and their remarkable features. Now it's your turn to explore and discover the world of altcoins more deeply. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy crypto exploring!